Hi, I'm Beth Ramsden, and this week I wanted to join in with Dolls UK and Dolls Rescued as they release their hashtag Dolls Gone Goth videos. They've invited viewers to join in on the goth theme using the hashtag and share their links for all to see. I thought I'd have a go at making some goth boots in a different style than I've ever made before. Something like a biker boot with straps but without laces. I've drafted a pattern. I don't know if it'll fit, but I'm jumping right into it. You'll see I have leather and twin needles for my machine and some little buckles and things to use. I've done some decorative stitching on the boot upright and straps. I cut them out and now we'll glue these cardboard soles to some black cotton. I'm also sticking it to the boot uprights, but I'm curving it around my finger before it dries. There. Now it shouldn't fight being rolled up so much. I trim off the excess fabric once the glue is dry. Here I want to close up just the bottom heel of the boot uprights, so I've glued a little ribbon in to bridge the gap. Here I've joined the cardboard soles to some rounded shaped boot fronts. They look like little slippers. Next, I'll glue the upper to the boot front and sole. Now they're both together, I'll glue on these sole shapes, 2 for each foot and then a heel for each. Now I'll start adding some decoration. I'll trim and glue on the straps with buckles on. And I'll wrap one round the top too, maybe with a tiny skull. Here I've cut 2 semicircle heel shapes that I've glued over the strap ends. For this top strap, I've glued an end to the inside leg back, and in order to close up the back opening once the doll is in it, it wraps around and is held by a magnet. I cover the magnets with more black cotton. I glue on these nail art skulls, love them. I also have these teeny weeny nail art spikes. I'll glue them on too. They fit. Here's an A-zone body trying them on. Nearly finished. I like to paint the cut edges of this leather with acrylic paint to finish it off nicely. I'm going to put together a very basic outfit to dress these boots with. I make some fishnet stockings with lace tops. I use broad velvet ribbon to make a short skirt, you can see in the back there, and I make a tube top from stretch lace and jersey. I also made a little pentagram choker and spiked bracelet using ribbon. I hope you enjoyed this, I sure did. Let me know in the comments, are you or were you ever a goth? See you again soon. Bye!